Lulay!
No.
So, nagpaalam na ako kay Papa Jojo. May blessing na ako kay Papa Jojo eh. Sabi niya, oo na daw.
Hala ka.
Pinapaalam rin ako kay Mama Jane. Eh, nagpaalam na rin ako sa mga kapatid mo. So,
Ako ba?
will you marry me again?
Wait lang.
So what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video is so special cause going to propose to my wife Janelle. So I'm gonna give a backstory so at least you can catch up. So 2018 I asked her mom and dad for her hand, and suddenly I'm so sad they said no. So here's the video. Hi guys, so this is my first day to have a vlog. And what is the purpose of this vlog? This vlog is a video for my girlfriend, which is Janelle Feliciano, which is going to be my fiancé soon. So today my plan is to go to Tagaytay and ask her parents for the blessing. Sana pumayag sila kasi mahal na mahal ko naman yung anak nila at mahal na mahal ko si Janelle. So mapalang ko sa kanila na mag-propose ako sa anak nila. So sana mag-ano. Pero gusto ko muna mag-rehearsal ngayon kasi nasa vlog na rin ako eh. So kunwari kausap ko yung parents, no. Tita, tito, mahal na mahal ko po yung anak nyo. And I think po and I feel right now na alam ko po masyado pa po kami mga bata, pero alam ko na wala na pong bata pag nagmamahal ka. So gusto ko lang pong ipaalam po sa inyo na talagang seryoso po ako sa anak nyo. Nakakaba siya actually. Let's see later kung anong mangyayari. So Lulay, abang mo to. Medyo kabado talaga ako, pero para sa'yo gagawin ko to. Kasi I love you, and I love you, and I miss you, and I love you so much. So lahat gagawin ko para sa'yo. Upo ko na naman, Chloe. See you later. So yun po, nandun mo sa Tagaytay. 6:30 na. So let's do this. Kabang-kaba ako, pero I love you, Lulay. I love you para sa ito. So, ayan. Ayan po, ah. Ito na yung aking suot. Ready to go. So, let's do this. Kaya natin to. Aja. Set up na lahat. Set up na lahat ng mic and everything. So, dito lang hinihintay ko. Ayan. Kaya best na. Lord help me. Ate, kumusta naman buhay mo? Okay naman? Yo! Happy. Nirespeto ko naman po yun. Regarding po sa plan kay Janelle, yun regarding po sa life niya. And nirespeto ko po yun. And firstly po, mahal na mahal ko po yung anak ni tita. Tito. Mahal na mahal ko po yung anak niya. And sa 6 months po na magkalayo, mahirap dito. Mahirap po. And gusto ko po kasi bilang lalaki, makausap po kayo. And ano po yung decision nyo and everything, respetuhin ko po yun. Kasi mahal ko po yung anak niya. And mahal ko din po kayo. And I treat you po as my own family na din po. Gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo po na magpaalam sa inyo po na magpo-propose po ako sa kanya.
Ang sinasuggest ko, yung kasi masyadong nape-pressure, alam mo yun, pag yung bigla kang nag-propose sa kanya, makikita ko wag mo ng proposal ang iba. Pag yung dating na sa ganang proposal, hindi pa time, di ba?
Pag-isipan niyo muna.
Pag-isipan niyo mabuti, pag-isipan niyo mabuti. I'm just suggesting to you, kung po pwede, huwag mo na.
Hindi, kung siguro, pag-isipan mo muna. Pag-isipan mo muna mabuti. Mag-usap kayo.
Opo. So as you can see, they rejected, they said no. And actually I realized it, especially already have kids now, especially if you have daughter, you're gonna be like so protective to them because you don't want to be end up your daughter to have a wrong relationship, abuse them, or to have, you know what I mean, like hurt their feelings or hurt their heart or broke their heart in the future. So basically I really understand that one. So fast forward 2018 September 6, even though they said no, Papa, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. We already proceed that one. I already proposed to her. So here's the video.
Gusto ko sabihin sa'yo na will you marry me? Yes? Yes daw! It's a trap! Ito. Hash ba sa'yo? Love you.
So as you can see, she said yes, and we got married in 2020 here in the US. But I still want to give her her dream wedding, like a big wedding or a beach wedding that she wants. Okay, so that's why after 6 years, when we have kids, we already have a house, we're gonna settle. So I'm planning to propose to her and to give her dream wedding. Okay, so before that, let's go with engagement proposal plan. So of course, before I propose, I need to buy a ring. A quick story about this one. Oh, actually, she already have engagement ring, but that one is like so cheap, and I bought that one in the Philippines. And right now, already bought her a ring, and this is the ring. But this is the ring. So generally, if you're watching this, yeah, this is your ring. But I wanted to give you a cinematic look for this ring. Let's do this. Plan 1, we already have a ring. Plan 2, we need to surprise her and we need to connect with my siblings or with my family in the Philippines that I'm going to propose to her. Question ma.
No.
Yeah. Remember nyo ba yung August of 2018?
2018. Okay.
August of 2018. Na-remember nyo yan?
Before pandemic. Oh.
Anong araw na yan? Nakita tayo nun eh. Sa Pilipinas.
Tayo sa restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay, you were alone. And you wanted to tell us that you're gonna...
Oh, yeah. Question.
You wanted to marry
Oo, Janelle. So, question lang. Kasi as a parent now, I just realized it. Why? Pero gusto ko sa inyo manggaling na what is the thing like you think that time na yung kinausap ko kayo?
I was thinking, the
Yes.
only thing that I was thinking at that time was Janelle was too young.
Okay.
Because she's my bunso and she's
Okay.
my baby girl.
Okay.
My baby girl.
Okay.
You know, we don't have anything against you.
Oh, yeah.
It's just that we felt, me and Papa felt like she was too young. She was what, 21?
23.
23?
Yeah, that time.
It's, well, kasi considering Jacqueline wasn't married then, Jamie wasn't married then, di ba?
Yeah.
So, it's like, oh, hold on, wait a minute.
So the reason why I'm asking that one, cause I'm gonna ask you again for the second time. Kasi mag-propose ako sa kanya sa Philippines.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna ask you second time. Retake. So yeah. So
Oh, yes.
yeah, I'm gonna ask for a blessing. So
You have 100%.
There you go.
have my blessing, 100%.
There you go. Ayan, narinig niyo yan,
101, actually. Okay?
Yeah.
Because
So,
you've proven yourself as a husband, as a
Yeah.
father,
there you go.
and you are a very good provider, and you are a very Christian dad, and you make my daughter happy. That's what it is.
There you go. Yeah.
The things that I taught my daughter how to be as a wife and as a mom is coming through with Janelle and with you.
Kasi kaya ang sabihin ko is all about, remember, 2018 August, ano yung ginawa natin?
Hindi ko alam.
Nagila kasi, hiningi ko yung kami ni Janelle.
Oo.
In that time, of course, dami nangyari and basically say no during that time. And this, kaya kami umuwi sa Philippines, kasi ako si Mama Jane, sabi ko sa kanya, is humingi ako ng blessing sa kanya. And she said yes. Sabi ko, sige, pag-uwi sa Pilipinas, sabi ko si Papa Jojo. Gusto ko lang tanongin niya, kasi sa 18 ko gagawin, during time ng party ko, gusto ko lang humingi ng
Sige.
blessing or something.
Okay.
Okay?
Mag-load mo, kailangan may asin ha. Load mo.
My plan is to do the engagement there in Japan. But the thing is, I want to be more special besides the view because I already proposed in Singapore. So, you know what I mean? I just want to propose in front of her dad, my mom and dad, in the family with the friends. So, my plan is on October 18, I rented a resort in Alfonso, Cavite, and I want to propose in the front of my friends, her friends, and our family. I'm recording this video right now just to show you how excited I am right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. For sure, she's gonna say yes, for sure. For the past 10 years, almost 10 years of our relationship, I'm so happy and proud to her being a wife, being a mom, and without her, I won't be successful as I am right now. You know what I mean? I'm just being honest, and for the decision we have, all the things, generally, she's the best wife I ever. Oh, she's the best wife. Okay. So Janelle, I just want to say that I love you so much, and I want to give you your dream wedding that you want. So I'm gonna propose first. I want to let you know that I'm so proud of you. I love you so much, and I don't know if ever you didn't come to my life. I don't know what's gonna happen to me right now, but all of my success is because of you. Thank you so much. So let's do the proposal. Let's do this. Kamusta guys? First from Germany. Kamusta? Kamusta iyo? Kamusta? Uy, huwag na kamusta kayo. Thank you. Today's video, guys, this is for my birthday celebration, my 30th, and I rented a resort here in Alfonso, Cavite. And right now, we're gonna interview from Tarashu TV. Papa Wayne,
Yes.
kamusta?
I'm good.
You're good? So, gagawin ko mamaya.
Okay.
Here's the plan, okay? Here's the plan. Mag-a-announce ako na, guys, punta muna kayo dito sa harapan. Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa mga pumunta. So, ina-announce ko na. Lahat, sila mama alam nila.
Alam na lahat ng pamilya.
Pati kapatid niya alam na. Ang plano ko nga nung una, atakin ako sa puso. Parang, babagsak ako. Ang problema, maraming attend, bakit tumawag ng 911? Kasi talagang mag-acting ako, talagang papasa ako ng 5 minutes. Hanggang sa aabot ko yung singseng. Pero, ano tawag yun, naasati ko yung singseng. So, mamaya mag-a-announce ako. So, yun ang gagawin ko mamaya. So,
Wala na tayong setup na gagawin, basta...
What's up? Opo, 6 years na. I know. I don't know how to speak Tagalog anymore. No, I've forgotten. Oo naman. Oo naman.
Ikaw na ang host, ikaw na.
Happy birthday!
Para lasing na.
One more time!
Actually, kinakabahan ako eh. Kinakabahan ako kasi gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa wife ko.
Look,
Kasi
walang announcement ha.
sobrang wala hindi siya bundes ha. Okay. Hindi pa sure. Okay. Before, gusto ko lang ma-witness nyo lahat yung birthday ko kasi special din sa akin. Tapos na naman, pero salamat sa mga kakuntsaba ko. Telen. Lulay.
Look,
So, nagpaalam na ako kay Papa Jojo. May blessing na ako kay Papa Jojo eh. Sabi niya, oo na daw.
Hala ka!
Sinamahal na rin ako kay Mama Jane. Eh, nagpaalam na rin ako sa mga kapatid mo. So, walang iyakan.
What's that? Ako ba?
Will you marry me again?
wait lang. Wait lang.
Yes, of course!
Nanginginig ako oh.
Ano ba yan?
Sorry muna, pumasok ko muna.
Magkano yung wedding ring?
Sana kasha. Iyan oh. December 2027. Hindi ko lang yan. I know, mamaya, nakakontrata na. Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you guys.
Ano ba yan?
Yes! It's a yes. Nagbigay na ako kanina eh.
It's a maybe. Charot.